The sexy Series 7 has arrived. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, B-Mac. And if this is your first time here to this channel, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. And if you've been here before, or if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So yes, indeed, today we are taking a look at the Apple Watch Series 7. First things first, I want to give a huge thank you and shout out to Apple for sending over the Series 7 for review. They hit me up, they said, B-Mac, we think you're gonna love the Series 7. We'll send you out to check out for a few months. Are you down? And who would say no to that? Yes, I'm down. So thank you to Apple for sending over this Apple Watch. And with that having been said, we've got something to do. We gotta unbox it. So that is exactly what we're going to do. Let us unbox the Apple Watch Series 7. Quick look at the box. You can see that beautiful Apple Watch engraved logo on the front of the box right there. Nothing on the top, nothing on the bottom, and nothing on the sides either. Just some more information on the back, but this nice little untabbing mechanism that we always love on the Apple Watch. So I'm excited for that. So let us untab the tabs of the Apple Watch Series 7. Let's unbox it. Boom, baby! There's the box! Inside of the box, which unfolds, you will find another box, and inside what you'll see is this. You'll see the Apple Watch Series 7 itself, as well as the band. I suppose we'll quickly just open that up to show you what that looks like. It's upside down, pretend it was right side up. Apple Watch, and then we open this up. Kind of what we're used to. It's the sport band, still exciting nonetheless. And this is in the midnight color, so midnight sport band. Looks pretty nice. I like it. It's definitely a dark black color with a slight blue hue to it. I know, you don't care so much about this. That's just the band. You're not here for just the band. You're here for the watch. We will take the band, put it off to the side. Take a closer look at the box within the box for the box that houses the Apple Watch Series 7. Quick look at this box. You can see the Apple Watch on the front. Nothing on the top, nothing on the bottom. Series 7, midnight aluminum case, 45mm on the right side, and nothing on the left side, and some more information, model information, serial number information, whatever else kind of information you want on the back as well. But we do have two tabs, so let's do it. 1, 2, we're good to go. We shall reveal the Apple Watch Series 7. Deep breath, calm yourself. Okay, we're good. There it is! The Apple Watch Series 7 right here in front of us. Oh my goodness, it comes in this nice little paper cover like we're used to. We'll see the rest of it in just a second. But first things first, we got some paperwork to do. So, designed by Apple in California, you have a little packet of information here. If we open this up, you will see Apple Watch, and on the other side of this is just a quick little startup guide, it looks like. You also do have your Apple Watch safety and handling, battery and charging information all right there, so you could check those out if you want to. Underneath that, you will see your Apple Watch Series 7 charger, and if we undo this, boom, there it is. That was not pretty at all, I apologize. I gotta do it. Okay, here we go, we're ready. We will pop it out like this, ready? That wasn't much prettier either. And something unique this year, this is actually exciting. You do have a new Apple Watch charger. For one thing, you can see that the Apple Watch Series 7 charger is USB-C based, and you do have a slightly upgraded Apple Watch Series 7 charger, a charger that could actually charge the Series 7 a little bit faster than the Apple Watch could be charged in the past. So that's always nice. You could charge up the Apple Watch while you're showering or something. Charge it up quicker. Oh, and before we forget, you'll notice on the back of the new Apple Watch charger puck, you have this aluminum looking kind of backing right there. So perhaps it feels a little bit more premium. USB-C, that feels more premium. A slightly more premium Apple Watch Series 7 charger, I like it. But now for the star of the show, the Apple Watch Series 7. Oh my gosh, it's in my hand. It's in my hand. Here it is. We shall remove the paper that is surrounding the Apple Watch Series 7. Let's see if we can do this in a pretty way. Oh, I already see a little bit of a hint of that midnight color, and it is sexy, my goodness. Okay, here we go. We shall take the Apple Watch and slowly remove it. Oh, and it's already turning on. I must have pressed the button, but check it out. Oh, that color. Wow, man. It definitely has a midnight color, but this is what pretty much everyone's saying. If you look real close and under certain lighting conditions, you will see an ever so slight blue hue to it as well. So not quite just straight up matte black, pitch black. It's close to pitch black with just like, you know, like a little splash of color. Now what we can do is actually set up our Apple Watch Series 7 by bringing our iPhone close. So let's do that. Apple Watch Series 7, iPhone 13 Pro Max. There it is. Use your iPhone to set up the Apple Watch. Absolutely will. Let's click continue. And here we go, we're off to the races. You already know the drill. I'm not gonna keep you waiting. All I'm gonna do is just snap my fingers. The whole setup process will be done and we'll be in the Apple Watch Series 7. So, it's done. And we are in the Apple Watch Series 7. Oh my goodness. You know, it's kind of crazy. The display feels like it's so much bigger than it actually is because when you compare the Apple Watch Series 7 to the Apple Watch Series 6, physically, the Series 7 isn't all that much larger. So that's wild. There's one watch face in particular I'm excited to try out, which really shows off the larger display itself. So I'm gonna set that up right now. Contour, baby, look at that. Oh my goodness. This is a really cool, really fun watch face. It really shows how far the display actually extends to the edges there. So I might use this one for a little bit just to really get used to the larger display and appreciate it for it being larger. We also have Modular Duo, which is probably gonna be the one I actually end up using. I love as much information on my Apple Watch watch face as possible. And this one is gonna get that job done. Look how much information is there. And then last but not least, a new portrait watch face, a new watch face on the Apple Watch Series 7. Kinda cool, probably not one I'll personally end up using myself, but I do say it does show off how far the display actually does extend to the edges of the device itself, which is pretty cool. So all of this means there's just one thing left to do. I shall take my new Apple Watch band, lock it on in there, and swap this baby out. Out with the old, in with the new. Woo, here we go, baby. And that is the Apple Watch Series 7 on my wrist for the first time. Feels good, feels right, always does. So take a good look. You'll be seeing obviously a lot of this Apple Watch on this channel, but that's what it looks like. It looks amazing, and I cannot wait. I just wanna go like run a mile, go swimming, check to see what the moon phase is. There's so many things I wanna do right now because I could do all of them on the Series 7. And per usual, if you guys do not want to miss out on all the exciting content I have planned for the Series 7 coming out on this channel, do yourself a favor, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any of those new videos when they drop. And as always, if you guys are interested in learning more about the Apple Watch Series 7 or just to snag one of these new bad boys for yourself, you guys can always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/series7, bmac.link/series7, or as always, there will be a clickable link in the video description box below as well, so be sure to check that out. And with that having been said, I'm about to go absolutely off customizing these complications. Oh my goodness, this thing's about to be an absolute beast. I'm about to have a computer on my wrist, no lie. I'm gonna be able to tell the future on this thing pretty soon. I will see you guys in my next video. Look at that new midnight color. Oh, goodness, it's so sexy, it hurts.